Okay guys, welcome back to Go Capital. Sorry for the break in the classes because it's been a while since our last upload. I've been attending to some other issues and we are back to Forex class. We are beginning a new class today, which is Forex class Basic 2. This is going to be the first lesson of Basic 2. Okay. If you have not watched our previous classes, I would like you to go back and watch them, as this class is a continuation of previous classes. The way the curriculum is designed is such that you will have to listen to all the videos for you to have a wholesome understanding of what we are doing here. Okay, so a quick one. We're going to be looking at disclaimer: trading leverage products such as forex, derivatives, commodities, metals, binary, and crypto may not be suitable for all investors, as they carry a high degree of risk to your capital. The materials and slides shared in this video are simply for education purposes. Go Capital will not be responsible for any loss incurred as a result of the information shared. This video is my personal opinion, and you agree that whatever actions you take based on them is strictly at your own risk. This is not a financial advice, simply for education purposes. Alright, let's go. Our first topic today is who is a broker. Who is a broker? A broker is an individual or a firm that acts as an intermediary between an investor and a security exchange. In other words, a broker is a person or a firm who arranges transactions between a buyer and a seller for a commission when the deal is executed. In forex trading, we have a platform whereby we access the forex market. So the people that provide that platform are called the brokers. They are the ones that arranges the privilege, the opportunity whereby you can participate in the forex market. So they connect you to the forex market, and these people are like an intermediary. So for the work they do, they charge commissions. Do you understand? So they charge commission for giving you that access to the forex market. So the broker is that individual or the firm that serves as the link between you and the forex market. Do you understand? So we are going to register with a broker at the end of this class too, so that you will have a practical example of what we are talking about here. So there are different types of brokers. An important consideration when opening a retail forex trading account involves choosing among the different types of forex brokers available to handle your forex transaction. So this represents an important decision because the type of forex broker chosen can affect the quality of service you receive, as well as your transaction fees and dealing spreads. So there are different types of brokers, but I want to just talk about these three main ones. So there are three main types of forex brokers: the non-dealing desk, which is the NDD, the market maker, then the electronic communications network. You understand? So these are actually, this chart is more detailed. Do you understand me? But I will just talk about these three. So, but this is the most detailed. This is a detailed kind of flow chart of the where the brokers are. There are dealing desk and non-dealing desk. So under the non-dealing desk, that's where you have the STP, you have the ECN. The ECN is the Electronic Communication Network. So we have the STP plus ECN. So there are brokers that combine the services of this kind of two brokers together as one. So then ECN brokers have the ones that are through DMA and the ones that are one-touch DMA. So we will not really need to go into all of them in details. If you want more information about them, you can browse about them online. So what we are here for is learning how to make money, okay? So but you should have this knowledge, because these brokers type that they will affect your transaction, they will affect your trading. Do you understand me? So I'm going to give you the particular broker you will use also, because that's the one I use, and I love the services, and the services relating to the country I live in is very, very okay. So that's why I'm going to be talking about a particular broker later at the end of this course, at the end of this class today. So let's explain the no-dealing desk brokers. The non-dealing desk, or the NDD type of forex broker, lacks a dealing desk, as the name implies. Nevertheless, it instead offers the best composite quotes obtained from the multiple forex quote providers that give the NDD broker its liquidity in the forex market. So there are people that offers quotes, that quotes prices. Do you understand? They offer different prices. So what the NDD broker does is it picks the best of the quotes, the best of the prices, and offers to the buyers or the sellers. So typically each of these providers will post their best market with the NDD Forex broker. So the broker then execute transactions and washes and fills orders for their clients accordingly. So the NDD Forex broker generally either charges a commission, or they widen the bid on offer spread in order to make a small profit on each trade executed. Sometimes they do both. So I'm going to talk about what is bid and offer and spread later on. Do you understand? So this is a chart for you to easily understand what a non-dealing desk broker is. So this is the trader trading. This is the broker here at the middle. So these are the people that provide the liquidity. Do you understand? So and it arranges the best of the quotes for the trader to take. So then market makers. The forex market maker will generally offer their customers a two-sided market that comes from a specialist forex trader operating as part of the broker's own in-house dealing desk. So if the price is dealt on, the broker will then end up taking the other side of any given transaction from their client by buying on their bid side or selling on their offer side of the quoted price. So you will know what is a bid and an offer price later on. Just I think in the next slide or so you will be taught. So the market maker's objective is to capture a portion of the spread and to do sufficient volume on both sides of the market to avoid having to lay off accumulated risk with another professional counterparty. So furthermore, if the trade executed is large enough, the market maker might choose to offset the trade immediately, especially if they think the market might move against it. So alternatively, they can add it to their trading book depending on their market outlook and size of the transaction. So the next one we're talking about is the ECN brokers. So the ECN broker for short is a electronic communication network kind of brokers. So they are the kind of brokers that generally does not have its own dealing desk. Instead, the broker provides an electronic trading platform in which professional market makers at banks as well as traders and other forex market participants can enter bids and offers through their system. So an advantage offered by some ECNs is that the trader posting the price can be given some degree of anonymity. So this can suit traders who do not wish to give away the fact that they are on the bid or offer. So we are going to open a demo account at the moment. So there's a link in the description. This is the broker I trade with. This is the broker I trade with, FXTM. I think they operate both in Nigeria and in South Africa. I don't know if they operate in other countries, but I know that they operate in Nigeria and in South Africa. And I'm a Nigerian, so this for me is the best broker in Nigeria that I have used. There are many other brokers too in Nigeria. There are good ones, but this is the one I'm currently using. I've used some other ones. You understand? I've used some other ones. So, but this one is the one I'm using, and it's FXTM. So you're going to click on the link or the description to register. You understand? So when you register, this is the way it will look like when you click on register. As you open the website and you click on register, this is how it will look like. So you will enter your first name, you will enter your last name, you will enter your country is supposed to be there automatically, because the if your location is on, it will just pick it automatically. But if it's not picked, so you can just select Nigeria as your country of residence. Then you put your phone number, you enter your email, an email that you can receive message, please, an email that you have access to, an email you can log into. So enter your email. In fact, let it be an official email that you have been using, something that once they send a message there, you get it. So put it there, and then choose password. The password can be any of these. You can combine capital letter, small letter, and put numbers there, and just like that. So then when you have put that, you click on send pin. So they will send a pin to you on your email. You copy that pin and paste it here. Once you paste it here, you click on register now. So once you've done that, you would have registered an account with FXTM. But that does not mean you have a trading account yet. So there are two types of trading account. There is a demo account and there is the real account. A demo account is an account where you practice for demonstration purposes. As the name is, demo, it's something you use for practice. Do you understand me? Sorry for that. Something you use for practice. Okay, so the demo account is what we are going to open next. So after you have registered with them, but before that, I will talk about MT4. Or let's just open the demo account. Let's open the demo account. Let me share my browser. Sorry for this. Right, so this is my broker here, FXTM. So I've already created an account with them, so mine is just to log in. But if you have not created an account, what you will just do is either click on this button here, open account, or you click on open account here. It's all the same. So once you click on it, it will lead you to that registration page that you saw in the slide before. So then you register and they will send a pin to you or your email. You copy that pin. Remember that before you can get that pin, you have to click on send pin first. Do you understand? Let me go back there for those who may not understand quickly. Let me go back to the slide. Look at what I'm trying to say. When you fill all these details that is here, you will have to click on send pin. So when you click on it, they will send it to your email. Go to your email and copy it and put it here. So once you put it here, then you click on register now. You understand what I was trying to say? So when you do that, you would have been able to create an account with FXTM. So the next thing remaining now is how to create a demo account. So I'm just going to log in. Since I have an account with them already, I'm just going to click on login. So sorry, it's loading. Alright, so I will click on this spot here. You enter the email that you entered before, and then you put your password here. Do you understand me? So let me just put my email. So then you put a password there. So alright, this is my account with the broker, and then what you have to do once this opens up is for you to come to my accounts. So when you come here, you click on open new account. So when you click on that, open new account, so you will now, I want to explain what all of these accounts are. It will still be the same on your phone, just that the arrangement will be different. Maybe this will be at the top, this will be at second, this will be third. So, but I'm using a laptop now, so it's showing everything in a standard view. So, the micro account is an account that, okay, sorry, this is real accounts, for example, now. But I still need to explain to you that even when you want to open a demo account, it's going to be either of these three. Do you understand me? So I'm going to explain what each of them means. Now, a micro account is an account that those that have only $10 to start trading can trade. So you can deposit the minimum of $10 and you can start trading with a micro account. The micro account is going to be in cents. Let's say if you open a dollar micro account with FXTM, what you will have in your balance is going to be in cents. It's not going to be in dollars. It's going to be US cents, not US dollar. Do you understand? So let's say as you deposit this $10 into the account, what you'll be seeing there is 1,000 USC, meaning just multiply by 100. You get me? So you'll be seeing 1,000 USC, US cent in the account instead of 10, because a micro account is arranged to be in cents. Do you understand me now? Now, there are three types of accounts that this broker has, and it will also affect the kind of demo account you can create. Do you understand? So the demo account you are going to create will be either of these three, but I'm actually going to advise you to create this one, this advantage account. Now let me explain what all of these three accounts are. The micro account will allow you to be able to start trading Forex with $10. That's if you are to open a real account. And as the account name is micro, when you deposit $10, it will be reflecting as 1,000. That 1,000 is not US dollar. It will be reflecting as 1,000 US cents, 1,000 USC. So you can trade as if you have 1,000 in your account, but it's actually 10. So anything you are making, any profit you are making with a micro account is actually in cents. It's not in dollar, it's in US cents. Do you understand? So then for the advantage account, the advantage account is an account that permits you to start trading with a minimum of $200. So this one I'm trading, this one I'm using. So because of the many advantages they have over the micro account. Do you understand me? Like in this now, in the micro account, you only be able to trade Forex, indices, metals, commodities, but you can't trade all these other ones. Indices, can't trade these ones. You understand? Like NASDAQ, US 30, you can't trade all those things here, and I trade those things too. So then, but here you can trade all of them, you can see all of them are ticked. So this is the one I actually like to trade, and this one I used to trade. So then this is another one I don't have. I'm not trading this one at the moment. You understand? So, but this is the most popular account they have. So this is what I'm trading. All right. So now, when you want to create the account, since we are creating an account with this advantage account, we are going to be choosing the platforms we are using to create it under it. So under this one, you are going to select MT4 or MT5. Now you are going to be selecting MT4 actually. Why? Because that's the one I use majorly. Do I still have an MT5 account? So any of them you choose is okay. but I would prefer that you open MT4 instead of MT5. Okay, so you choose MT4 and you click on try demo. Are you with me? Click on try demo. That's what you do. So when you click on try demo, you know I selected MT5, that's why it's showing like this. Let me go back again. Let me go back. So let me select MT4. Click on try demo here. So then it has changed to advantage MT4. So now select US dollar. Make sure you select US dollar. So then select 1:1000. This will affect your margin later. I will explain what all of that is in lesson 2. So choose 1:1000 for now, and then enter your password. Now this password is not the same with the one you created in the beginning when you were opening an account with the broker. That one is to permit you to log into the broker's website in case you want to make deposit now or you want to withdraw. Is the website you will log into. This is your dashboard. So that first account, that first password you created that time is for you to log into your dashboard. Are you with me? But this other account you want to create here now is the one you will use for trading. So it is this one you are going to put into your MT4 when you want to open your MT4. Are you with me now? So choose a different password. If you want to use the same password, it's up to you, but I will advise you choose a different one. So it's still going to be a combination of small letters, capital letters, and numbers. You understand me? So and then you re-enter the password again in this place and change this balance. Change it to 5. Change it to 1000. Change it to 1000. Okay. So once you change it to 1000 like this, click on open account. I'm not creating another one now because I already have accounts with them and I'm not a demo, I'm not practicing any demo, so I don't want to open a demo account again. Are you with me now? So just open a demo account. Or should I just, okay, let me just do it. So let me just create a new one for the sake of everyone. So I'll click on open account. Are you with me now? So I've created the account. These are the details. This is the information. So this information now is now what I will use to trade. Are you with me? So what's the next thing we will now talk about? Your MT4 or your MT5. So since we created an MT4 account, so we're going to learn about MT4. I will still talk about MT5. They're actually the same thing. You understand? Just that one is more recent than the other. So we are going to use this number and then our password that we created. Are you with me now? So we are going to use it to enter the MT4. So now let's go back to our slide. So what is MT4? MetaTrader 4 is a flexible trading system that offers advanced tools of technical analysis, trading signals, a market of trading robots, mobile and algorithmic trading, and much more. Actually, what this is, let me just explain in later. You need a platform that will give you ability to analyze the market. Do you understand? Ability to analyze a chart, to do your technical analysis. The MT4 is a platform that allows you to do that. Are you with me now? So that's why you need such a platform to trade. And you are going to connect that your broker account that you just created, that's your demo account. You are going to connect it to your MT4 now. So what you will do is go to your Play Store and search for MetaTrader 4 or your Google Play Store if you are using an Android phone. So if you are using an iPhone, you just go to your Apple Store and look for MT4 and then you download it. When you download it, you will open it. Okay, you open it. Your MT5 is still the same thing, but we are not using MT5 for this example. They are the same thing, just that is more recent. Do you understand? Both of them work the same way. Only few advantages one has in terms of maybe not really much difference. So but we are opening MT4 because it was MT4 we used when we were creating the demo account with our broker. You understand? Alright, so this is how MT4 looks like. This is how MT4 looks like. Now on your phone, it will not be like this. This is a laptop. You understand? So let me show you how to log into it on your phone, or your laptop rather. So what you will do is you will click on File, you click on log into trade account. So this is where you put that details. So we're going to copy the information that we had the other time, the information. We'll go back to the other slide now so I can show you what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm going to copy this information. I'm going to copy it. So on your phone, this is what you will still do. On your phone, when you open your MT4, click on the menu button at the top right corner. So when you click on the menu button, you will see Manage Account. Click on Manage Account. So there will be a plus sign at the top. That plus sign is what you will click. So you will now click on Open Existing Account. Log into existing account. That's what you click on. So let's go back now to our slide of the MT4. So now I'm going to paste it here. Paste. Then for the password, I will enter the password I created that time. And then for the server, I will go back and copy it. I'll go back and copy it. This is it. This is the trading server, Forex. So I'll copy it. I've copied. So I'll go back and put it there. So I'll just paste it here. I could have searched for it here, but I don't want to. I want to just make it easy. So you just copy it from that website and paste it here and click on login. So when you log in, it will take you to the demo account. So we have successfully logged into our demo account. Now normally when you open a demo account or any account like this, once you open the MT4 newly, it will not be appearing very neat like this. It will appear somewhat like this. Let me show it to you. It will appear like this. So it will just be looking like this. So what you do is you have to set the background to look like the way you want it. So how do you set the background? Remember, we've already logged into our demo account. So if we click on view and click on terminal or Ctrl T, we are going to see our balance here. This is the balance of 1000 that we created that time. We're going to see it here. Are you with me? So now on your phone you will still see this balance. Maybe you are going to watch other videos on YouTube on how to use MT4 on phone. So because I will not have time to do that again for the phone, but it's very easy to understand what I'm saying now. So you can just okay, maybe I will do another video later and I will add it to this one. Okay, so that's what I will do. I will do another video and I will add it to it. Yeah, maybe. Okay, so just understand that this is the way it will look like. So you close this terminal and then you can set this background now. This is the zoom keys, the zoom buttons. You can zoom it. This is a bar chart. So we're going to be using candlestick chart. This is a candlestick chart like this. You use it here. So you click on it, these candlesticks. So now we want to set it to look like the one I had before, to look like this. So let's set it now. So I'll right click on the main screen. This empty space, just right click on it and click on properties, or just press F8 on your keyboard. So shows candlesticks here. Then choose this one. You can decide to use period separators. Remove this one. Then come here to colors. On this, on the scheme, choose black and white. Then on the foreground, leave it as this. Silver. The grid, we don't need any grid line. I don't use them. So bar up, let's use green. Bar down, let's use red. Green. Bear candle, red. So set the same things here. The same bar up and bull candle should be the same color. Depending on how you want to design the chart, as long as you understand it. The bull candle are candles that are going up, while the bear candles are candles that are going down. You understand? Those that are selling. So then what should I think we need here? Okay, just leave these colors the way they are. If you like to change them, you can change them, but these are the most important ones. This from here to this part. So I'll click OK. So you see the chart is looking like this. So I can remove this period separator. This is a 1 hour chart, a 1 hour time frame chart. From this line, from this period to this place is 24 hours. There are 24 candles in between these two lines. So each of these lines, in between each of these lines, there are 24 hours. That's a day. So each candle represents 1 hour. Each candle represents 1 hour. Do you understand? So then pretty much this is what you need to know. So if you want to learn about all the various parts, like all what each of these things are, what they do, I'll advise you watch other videos on YouTube on how to use MetaTrader 4. There are videos like that available, so I will not have time to teach you how to use all of these, because as I will be teaching you guys in the advanced classes later, you will see me using them. So with that time you can be learning. But if you want to still learn in depth on how to use each of these things, what they mean, what they represent, what you can do with them, you can watch other videos on YouTube that talks about MetaTrader 4 user interface, or how to use MetaTrader 4. You will see plenty videos like this on YouTube. So but basically I want to just show you how you can log in the account you just created into MT4. So with the account we just created, we can trade a demo, but you will not be able as yet. So just create it and wait. Okay, so later on we'll start, when we're at the advanced class, you will learn how to start trading. Are you with me now? So for those who are using phone, I'm going to I don't know if I can get pictures online also, but when you first open the phone, the MT4 on your phone, when you first open it on your phone, it will just go to the main. Okay, maybe what I will just do is, for those who are using phone, I'm just going to do this same thing again with a phone and attach the video to this one, okay, so that you will have an understanding of what I just did. Yeah, but if I don't have the time to do it, what you will just do is click on menu, click on manage account, click on the plus sign at the top, click on add an existing account, and put the details that you are in your email the other time, that you are in the website, and open it on your phone. Are you with me now? So that will be what you will be required to do. So let me talk to you guys about TradingView. TradingView is a place where traders and investors, educators, and market enthusiasts can connect to share ideas and talk about the market. So actually TradingView is still like MT4, just that it's more advanced, because it's like in fact it's so advanced that all the charts you want in this life are there. Okay, not all brokers are connected to it. So you cannot start trading on TradingView except your broker is connected to TradingView. So it's not all brokers that are connected. Like my broker now is not connected to TradingView, so I don't use TradingView to trade. What I just do is I do analysis with TradingView and I come to MT4 to execute those trades. Are you with me? So let me just show you what TradingView looks like. Alright, so this is what TradingView looks like. This is the website. Once you click on tradingview.com on your browser, it will take you to a place like this. So what you just do is click on chat. Are you seeing it? This thing can also work on your phone as well. So you just open your browser and type tradingview.com and you click on chat. So when you click on chat, it will open up the chat platform just like the way MT4 is the other time when I opened it. So but the difference is that this one you can view all kinds of assets. Anything you want to search, you can search for it here. So there are videos on YouTube on how to use TradingView. So you can watch videos on YouTube on how to use TradingView. Do you understand me? So my own is to teach you Forex. So you are going to learn all of this in another channel, please. Okay. So but this is how TradingView looks like. This is how TradingView looks like. Alright. So this is what it looks like. And you can select any of the currency you are looking for and you open it. Okay, so you do analysis here, just like you can do analysis with MT4. Alright guys, so this is the way it looks like on phone. I just decided to do this, so let me show you this. When you open your MT4 on your phone, this is the menu button I was talking about. So click on the menu button. So when you click on the menu button, it will bring out something like this that you see here. So click on manage accounts. When you click on manage accounts, you will see a plus sign. You get me? So click on the plus sign and choose open an existing account. Are you with me now? So when you choose that one, then enter the details of your demo account from the website, like we did the other time when we were doing the one of the laptop. So just in the place of login, put that number there in the place of login. Let me go back there again to show to you what I'm talking about. This particular details, this particular login. So click on it and change it to, put this one in the login, and then the place of server, put this one here in that server, then put your password and click on login. At the bottom you see sign in or something like that. So when you click on it, you have added your demo account to your MT4. Are you with me? So when you add it to your MT4, you can now start doing analysis and placing trades. But we are not doing that now. I'm going to teach you how to place trades later in the advanced class. Alright, so when you put those details into the add the necessary accounts to this thing we're talking about, you go back again to your MT4. So the MT4, this particular button here is the quote page, which is also the button that is here when you click on the menu button. So this one is the chart, this second button, which is the same chart here. So this button here is the trade button, which is the same button that's here. So let me just show to you on this is the trade button. So it will show to you all of the trades you have opened and that you have executed, and the trades that have not yet executed, they will be showing here. Then the next one is your history. This is what you've made so far. This is after you have closed the trade. When you have closed the trade, it will appear under your history. Are you getting me? So When you have closed the trade, it will appear under your history. Look at this one that we talked about before. The second one here, the chart. You can set it to look like the way we set the one on the laptop the other time. The procedure is not difficult. What you just do here is you click on the menu button and click on settings. If you do not see settings in the menu button, just tap the screen. When you tap it, you see a settings button. Click on it and set the colors and everything the way you want it to look like. Actually, you can watch a video on how to set the chart on another YouTube. Just type how to set MT4 on mobile phone. You will see it. You understand? So that's what you will do. Alright, but just for the sake of rehearsals, this is the menu button. When you click on it, you will see this. Click on manage accounts. You will see a plus sign at the top. Don't click on the plus sign that is here. It's after you click on this and you click on this that you click on the plus sign. That plus sign is to do something else different from this one. This one you are seeing here, which is also this one that is here, is for you to add other currency pairs to this place. Are you getting me? It's for you to add other currency pairs to this place. So you don't click, even this plus sign is different. This plus sign is different from this one, and it's different from the one you are going to see when you click on this manage accounts. Are you getting me? So just understand and do accordingly. Alright, with this we've come to the end of this class. Hopefully we'll see you in the next class. Please do well to practice what we've done, and see you next class.